Hi everyone, and welcome back to Sonya's Prep. I'm so super excited today because I want to share with you my ultimate chewy chocolate chip cookie recipe. As you all know, there are tons of different varieties of chocolate chip cookies, and my most favorite kind is the thin, chewy, yummy, ooey gooey chocolate chip cookie. And I'm going to take you along and show you just how I make mine. The ingredients used in this recipe are very simple: an egg, white sugar, flour, chocolate chips or chocolate chunks, light brown sugar, some salt, baking soda, vanilla extract, and oil. So to start off, I'll be placing in half a cup of oil into a bowl and adding in 3/4 cup of light brown sugar. You can use dark brown sugar or light brown sugar here, it really doesn't matter. After I give that a good whisk, I then add in half a cup of sugar. Once all of that is mixed well, I add in 1 egg into the mixture and mix that as well. I then add in 1 tablespoon of vanilla extract. Combine that into the batter. Next, I'm adding in half a teaspoon of salt and half a teaspoon of baking soda. I then add in 1 1/4 cups of all-purpose flour, and you'll see at this point that it's a little bit difficult to mix everything with the whisk, so feel free to change to a wooden spoon or spatula. For the last ingredient, I add in 1 cup of chocolate chunks mixed in with a little bit of chocolate chips. To easily scoop up the cookie batter, I use this ice cream scooper, and I fit about 9 cookies into each tray, and I'm going to be using 2 trays for this, so you'll get a total of 18 cookies from this recipe. To bake them, I place the cookie trays into a preheated oven set at 350 degrees, and I bake them for 11 minutes. For even baking, I do switch the trays after about 5 to 6 minutes of them being in the oven, just so they could evenly cook. Time for a taste test. It's just unbelievable. Like, look at that. It's just soft, chewy, delicious. Just heaven in a cookie. I hope you guys all enjoyed this video. If you make this, tag me on Instagram. I would love to see it. Enjoy your cookies. Thank you so much for joining me. If you enjoyed this video, please give this video a big thumbs up. Subscribe if you would like to see more of this kind of content, and don't forget to click that notification bell.